Hey, what's up? This is a quick video showing you how to change out the ear cushions on the Jabra Evolve2 30. Let's get to it. All right, so here we have the Jabra Evolve2 30. And so what you're going to do is you see the headset here, turn it around, you're going to see the ear cushions and you're going to see they're marked right and left. And you can actually just peel these off. So you'll see when you peel them off, they come right off. They peel all the way around. And you're going to notice on here that there is a left and there is a right. So when you're putting the ear cushions back on, make sure you match up the right with the right and the left with the left. And you're also going to notice that there's this little groove in here. This is where the ear cushion is going to actually go, not around the bigger portion, but this small thin part here. And then you're going to notice on the ear cushions that there's this little groove that signifies that it goes on the top of the ear cushion. Now it's not very easy to do this, and so what you want to do is you want to take that top part and you want to kind of hook it in at the top there, and then just slowly, let me hook that guy in first. I got to get that little part having the hardest time. Okay, there we go. And then you're just gonna feed it through, kind of like a bicycle tire. I don't know if anyone's ever changed a bicycle tire before, but it's not the easiest thing to do sometimes. But you do that all the way around until you replace the ear cushion. And so there you go. Now the ear cushion's back on. Alright, so there you go. If you like this type of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let us know what else you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.